and welcome back to my show, The World Around Us. Today I'm going to be showing you the latest project I've done with the Arduino, the RFID reader, and the RFID tokens. So if you enter a hotel room, you'll need the card for your room to scan on the door. That's for security. It's to check that the data in the card matches the data in the system, and if it does, it'll let you enter the room. When I was little, I've always wanted this scanner for my room, so only the people with the correct data in the cards can enter my room because I'm a VIP. I've done that with the Arduino, my latest project. I've added in LEDs and an LCD display to the project. So I'll reset the Arduino to start afresh. I've got my mother's card here, and if I scan it with the RFID reader, the message "Hello, Mommy" this comes up on the display screen, and I've got two LEDs. The red one lights up if it's my mother's card. And if my father's tag, if I scan that on the reader, the blue LED lights up, and the display "Hello Papa" goes up on the screen. I wrote a program to make that happen. So with the project, you can install a built-in library for the MFRC 522, and I added some of my own code into that for the LCD screen and the LEDs. So because every token has its own unique UID number, I'm checking that if it matches, and if it does, because each of the tag has a different UID number. If it matches with the number, then I'll turn on the LED. The Arduino has many digital pins, and if I connect that, it basically sends a pulse signal to turn on the connection at pin 8. Then I set the LCD cursor to 0, and then I clean the LCD screen so that if there was a message before it, it erases off and I can print the new message. And with the other card, it's the same thing, just a different UID number, and it sets pin 7 to hide, and it displays the message. So lately I've been doing a lot of electronics and robotics projects, and this is project in progress. It's a robotic arm with several servo motors, a driver, and maybe in a future video I'll show you how that works. I've drawn the connections in the circuit on my whiteboard very neatly, actually, and I've shown the connections for here. This is the RFID reader, and because it communicates with the Arduino, which is there, with the SPI protocol, it has 4 pins, and plus the power, of course. It has MISO, which is master and slave out. The Arduino is the master in this case, and the card is the slave. MOSI, which is master out, slave in. The clock, the clock line, which helps it communicate, and the data line, which is the line for sending data. SPI is good for sending a large amount of data, and with the LCD screen I need to use I2C. It has just 4 pins, 2 of which are the power, and the other is used for the communication. Because there is an Adafruit module connected to this, I only need 4 pins. Otherwise, I think there's 16 here, which I would need to connect, and that would be a lot of wires in this project, and that's why I haven't done that. I've used the I2C module instead, which makes it simpler. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!